Good morning, everyone. My name is Yash Kelkar and I am from MIT Academy of Engineering, Ireland. I am from Department of ENTC from second year. Today, my topic for this lecture is combinator circuit using verilog. So here is some theoretical part. As what is combinator circuit? The combinator circuit is a digital logic circuit in which the output depends on the combination of inputs and the point of time with total discrete to the past state of inputs. The digital logic gate is the building block of combination circuit. Verilog. Verilog is a description language. It's high description language that describes the behavior of a logic circuit at a gate level. It can also be used for simulation of a logic design. It does not just simulate the function of a circuit but also delays for switching each gate. So here are the uses of combinational circuits. You can see programmable logic devices. Other. What is the advantage of using Verilog for HDL? The Verilog hardware description language (HDL) is one such tool. It can enable you to despite stimulate and synthesis and electronic design, and thus increase your productivity by reducing the overall workload associated with a given project. Verilog using full adder. So here we have application based for code. So we are going to tell you all about the code of Verilog using full adder. So a full adder is a digital component that performs three numbers are and implemented using the logic. Its main component inside an ALU of processor and is used to increment the addresses, table indices, buffer points, and other places where addition is. One bit full adder adds three one-bit binary number, two inputs bits, one carry bit, and output a sum and a carry bit. Here we have given the circuit diagram of full adder. You can see three inputs and we are getting two outputs in and out. So basically we need a truth table to write code for any circuit diagram. So here is the truth table of full adder. Here is the code. We have to write a starting code on Xilinx ISC platform or any other platform where you are writing the code. So we are given the name module full adder. We are given the input 3 is to 0, means 3 down to 0. Input and B input, C in and C out. Here we have two inputs and two output. You can see here A is input, B is input, C is input, and their output is C out and sum out. And we have assigned A plus B plus C in end module. Here we have given the module as a name. After we are writing this code, we get the hardware schematic as the output which we will get at first. So here is the hardware schematic diagram. Next we have to get the test bench. Test bench, we have to input the test bench code first after we have done the hardware schematic. So first add the time scale directive. It starts with a gray accent but does not end with a semicolon. Time scale directive is used for specifying the unit of time used in further modules, and the time resolution. The time resolution is a precision factor that determines the degree of accuracy of a time unit in the modules. Here we have some theory part about test bench. So here is the code for test bench. We have already written the name module full add. So here we have registered 3 down to 0 A, B and C and some integer. Instantiate the design and connect to the test bench variable full adder. Provide the stimulate to the test the design initial begin A less than equal to 0, B is less than equal to 0, C less than equal to 0. Here we have some operators to assign the values of A plus B plus C equals to C out and sum. So that's how the code of Verilog works for full adder. So some theoretical part. Verilog is a hardware description language used in the field of digital design and electronics engineering. Its primary purpose is to model and simulate the digital system used at integrated circuit and electronic system. Here are some ways in which Verilog coding helps humans. You can see digital circuit design, simulation and testing. Also we have faster prototyping, verification and debugging, hardware synthesis and reusable design. These are some of the usefulness about very long coding. So these are some of reference. You can use the book Tossi and VHDL by Bhaskar to learn about very long, and there are different type of combinations of it. And you can use Google Java Point very long. Thank you.